Step into the heartbeat of London student living with Chinatown Soho Apartments, where your adventure in the city begins. From fully equipped studios and private apartments to its chic two-bed penthouse, these are crafted spaces that match your style and elevate your student experience. Featuring fully equipped apartments with stylish bathrooms and kitchens, all rooms are designed for focused studying and ultimate comfort. Picture cozy beds, functional workspaces, stylish wooden flooring, and even an espresso coffee machine for those late-night study sessions. With bills included, including Wi-Fi, water, heating, and electricity, you've got nothing to worry about. The property is conveniently located just a short drive from London Film School and ABC School of English, making commuting a breeze. From its calm and dynamic street, Wardour, to the iconic Thames Riverside, every corner has a story to tell. Indulge your taste buds at Hermes Sichuan restaurant or savor lobster rolls at Burger and Lobster Leicester Square. Need a caffeine fix? Cafe Concerto Shaftesbury Avenue is just around the corner. So why wait? Book with amberstudent.com and get ready for an adventure that goes beyond textbooks.